Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be diving down into Dogecoin. The question of the day is when are we going to get a reversal back to the upside? I mean, Dogecoin, it has been struggling ever since it's hit its all-time high. Now, I'm not spreading any type of FUD here, just trying to show you guys the charts that we are looking for any signs that can possibly tell us that Dogecoin is going to become bullish. So today we're going to dive down into the daily chart. We'll dive down into the 4-hour chart, and then we will take a look at the Fibonacci levels. So as you guys can see, whenever it comes to Dogecoin, that we have been just kind of sticking around a key level area. So we're talking about all the way up here at about 18 cents to down here around 11 cents. It's almost like we have been creating a consolidation zone. But the big question is are we going to turn bullish? Now, Dogecoin has attempted a couple breakouts. We attempted a breakout here, a breakout here, a breakout here, a breakout here, and a breakout here. But every single time that we have tried to get a breakout, we have failed, ladies and gentlemen. We have failed. Like, we really need to get the breakout technically back above 18 cents. And if we take a look, you guys can even see the green squiggly line here, which is the 200 EMA, has also been playing as a resistance. Normally, when price action breaks above it, it is considered bullish, but when price action breaks below it, it is considered bearish. So right now, we are technically in a bear trend still whenever it comes to Dogecoin, right? We even have a long-term sloping resistance, technically since our all-time high, but in this case, I'm going to make it at 40 cents. So you guys can see that we have got rejected multiple times here. We got rejected here, rejected up here, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. Every single time we hit this white line, we technically just sell off, which is not good. But I'm seeing something, guys. Let me go ahead and show you something. I'm actually seeing that there's a good possibility that Dogecoin could be in what is known as a falling wedge pattern. Now, falling wedges, most of the time, they are considered bullish. You're probably thinking, well, what is a falling wedge pattern? Well, let me show you right now. Falling wedge pattern is you go from the bottom, you go up. You go from the bottom, you go up. You go from the bottom, you go up. You go from the bottom, you go up, and then boom, eventually you get that massive breakout to the upside. So Dogecoin could be in a massive, and I mean a massive, bullish uptrend whenever it comes to this pattern. But we have to get the breakout, and we have attempted it multiple times as stated, but we have failed. Okay? So Dogecoin, where are we going to be heading? Well, if we dive down into the 4-hour time frame, if we don't get any other signs of bullishness, especially from the crypto market, then there's a possibility that Dogecoin could come back down to this key level support at about 11 cents. It's a nasty sell-off. But personally, you guys, I believe that it is trying. It is trying so hard to become bullish. We just haven't got it. So once Dogecoin can get that breakout out of this sloping resistance right here, and once we can get a breakout technically above 15 cents, then we have a great opportunity to become bullish. Now, this is just my opinion, right? This is just my opinion. I think there's a good chance that we'll probably consider to consolidate here in this area. And if we break down to the 11 cents, then it's not going to be looking good at all. Technically, it's going to be looking very nasty, right? Nasty bear market, okay? So Dogecoin, keep eyes on it, ladies and gentlemen. If we go ahead and dive down into the Fibonacci levels, you guys need to see this as well. Very important, okay? So for Fibonacci's, normally you go from a swing low to a swing high. And this is absolutely absurd to do Fibonacci's whenever it comes to Dogecoin, right? So we're going to go from here, swing low to a swing high, boom. You guys will see that technically we've been hovering right around the 786. The 786 has been playing as a strong resistance. Look at that, you guys, right here. Strong resistance, technically right at 15 cents, as we have been stating. So Dogecoin, I would like to know your guys' opinion. Are you bullish or are you bearish? Are you going to continue to buy up more Dogecoin? Because technically, if we get this breakout, you guys, it's going to be massive in my own personal opinion. Okay? Once we get this breakout and start to break above these key level areas, we're going to be looking for a big, and I mean a big move to the upside on Dogecoin. All right. So next, we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin's competitor, Shiba Inu, and we'll talk about how we are doing there. So thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you in our next videos. All right, and